Well, it's time to vacuum, but before I do that, I have to pick up some of the larger items that Puddin has dragged into the living room, and then I will have to probably sweep some of the smaller items. Just a description, you'll see that this is stuffing from various toys, and if you look closely at the stuffing, you will see that it's different colors and textures, which means she's destroyed several toys and her siblings have probably helped her. She also enjoys dragging toilet tissue out of the bathroom whenever I forget to close the door to the master bathroom. Normally she takes one roll of toilet tissue out at a time and chews on it, but this time I guess she found a roll that I hadn't opened yet. She tried to break it apart and couldn't, so she just dragged the whole thing out. And also I didn't even know I had these shoes, so I guess she found them in the master bedroom closet. I leave that door open all the time because when Matt gets scared of something, he likes to go in there. It's kind of like his crate. And of course there's the various toys I'll have to pick up. There's some paper towels, and I thought Murphy was still in these bath towels, but it turns out I think what's happening is that Puddin goes into the bathroom and takes them out and puts them into the master bedroom, and then Murphy comes into the master bedroom, brings them into the living room and puts them on a pile to sleep on. So I guess I better get to cleaning.